Good evening. My name is Satoru Nishikawa from MLIT. I used to be in the cabinet office when the Aceh tsunami came. And I have one question regarding the rebuilding of the livelihood of the affected area. How do you see the crucial points in rebuilding the livelihood of the affected population? Because I understand that many were dependent on fisheries, and we have a similar situation in northern Japan right now. Thank you.
Shall I answer the question directly or wait for another question?
Please answer question by question.
Okay. So, the people of Aceh basically are peasants, farmers, so they live from the land, and fishermen. So the most important one is basically start from the land. So we have to clear the land from the sea mud after the tsunami, and by clearing the land, they can go back to their land to start planting their what's that? Tanaman apa? Plants. Okay, they can start their farms. And also, it's very important that by giving them cash for work, so they can forget the trauma at least to go start back to their land to clean the farmland, the paddy field, and by doing that, after 3 months, they can start to taking off the rubble from the area, and it was really surprising, since a number of experts say that this farmlands that is covered by the sea mud can only be planted after 2 or 3 years. But it was really surprising that only after 1.5 years, the paddy field there has started to being harvested. So that is very important to go back to their land. For these fishermen, we provide them with boats, very simple boats, not just like your vessels. This basically is boat for the people, wooden boats with a small horsepower engine, such that they can go back to the sea to start fishing, start doing the fishing. So this is the things that is really important. And after 1 year, people go back to their business, farmers go back to their land, fishermen go back to the sea, and they can start their living again. And so this is something that is directly coupled with the housing program. So housing was built close to the area in which they have their land, or close to the area in which they used to, tie their boats close to the river, or close to an area that is shallow, or these are the preferred area for them. So building houses is not just building houses, but it should be directly coupled with the type of work, type of business they're doing. So this is the way we start their livelihood. When it comes to other things, like people who used to trade in the markets, then we provide them with microfinances. And microfinances, that's really important, such you can see that after 6 months, local markets started up, and people begin back to their normal life after 6 months. So people are afraid with the sea, in general, only for 6 months, at the most 1 year. But after that, they tend to forget about what's happening before, and they go back to the sea again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kuntoro.